from across the country for the Democratic National Convention. And some of those people will bring their children. Some parents are upset that the convention is not providing child care or allowing children on the convention floor. Eyewitness News anchor Tanika Smith looked into those concerns and found what options are available for parents.
Come next week, Phyllis Johnson hopes Tots Around-the-Clock child care will be filled with children whose parents are in town for the Democratic National Convention.
The DNC will offer activities throughout the day as well as the evening hours. And some of the things may not be suitable for the children to attend.
The DNC has received some criticism for not providing child care at the venues. And because of credential restrictions, you won't see any children on the convention floor. But a DNC committee spokesperson says parents can find child care options on its vendor directory. Johnson applied to be on there and is one of 7 agencies on the list.
It's an absolutely wonderful thing to be involved with a national convention, one on this scale.
Socrates before and after school program is also available for parents next week, but owner Andra Sami is not on the DNC vendor directory. We found her child care center and a few others on Craigslist.
I have all of this space and I just wanted to be able to offer it up to parents and, provide somewhere safe for their kids to go.
Both centers will be offering extended or overnight hours so parents can feel free to enjoy the DNC festivities.
Well, parents can go out, they can have a good time, and they can know they'll come back and their kids will be all in one piece when they come back and get them.
In Charlotte, Tanika Smith, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
We asked the